Thank you for coming to another listening comprehension lesson. As stated, this is listening comprehension. For this assignment, you will listen to 2 articles, and then you will answer the questions. You may come back and listen to the article multiple times to make sure your answers are correct. The 2 articles for this are Video Game Tester and Cho's Typical Day. Video Game Tester. What is a video game tester? A game tester works for a video game production company. Such businesses need to test video games before they are sold to millions of people. A tester's job begins when a game is close to its final stages of development. What does a video game tester do? Testers play a game many times. They make notes about any problems. A tester may find, for example, that a game's menu does not work correctly, or that pushing a button on the controller does not perform the correct action. This process may take months. Cho's typical day. In many ways, Cho's day at work is different from most people's. He tests video games, but it's not all play. Most of Cho's day is spent trying to break a game. He attends meetings so he can report any breaks or problems that appear. He also writes long emails with detailed paragraphs explaining problems with the games. Cho doesn't get to relax and enjoy playing video games. While on the job, he must analyze or check games very carefully. He must regularly communicate with artists, programmers, and designers. He also has deadlines. Finishing his testing by a certain date can be stressful for Cho. Thank you for coming to the end. As a reminder, you may go back and listen to the articles again to answer all 5 questions.